So hello guys, how are you all doing? So today I'm going to be sharing this simple and delicious recipe with you guys. This is very delicious and very simple. You need all these three things. Yeah, so I have potatoes, I have cornstarch, and I have my chicken. Very simple and easy, guys. Very simple and easy. And guys, I think I have onions there. I have onions. Yes, very simple and easy. Kids love this. Yeah, this is like nuggets here, chicken nuggets here. Very, but with this we are not going to be frying it here, no. So as you can see, I've peeled my potatoes and my onions, so I'm going to be transferring everything into my food processor. Yeah, if you want it to be very smooth, you can use your blender, but me, I don't want it to be very smooth, no. So I'm going to be using my food processor to add everything. So here I added my potatoes, my onions. I'm going to add the chicken, and also I'm going to be adding pepper and salt here. And also make sure you add your cornstarch here. Add everything, and then you're going to be grinding or blending it here. Guys, this was so delicious. So it's very simple, but it was delicious. Very simple and delicious here. So if you're looking for something for your kids and you have no idea, you can use it. This kids love this here. With kids, maybe you can decide to fry it for them, but if it's for you, please don't fry. Just if you have air fryer, you can use it to grill it, and that's, you are good to go. Or use your air fryer. Yes, with mine I use my halogen oven to just cook this here, and it was so delicious. Yeah, so as you can see, we have everything. So I added my pepper, and also I'm going to be blending everything. As I said, yeah, I didn't have scotch bonnet pepper, so I had to use this powdered pepper here. So at this point we are going to cover, and then we are going to be blending here. So I don't want it to be very smooth. No, I don't like it. I don't want it to be very smooth. I want to taste the chicken, and I want to chew it myself. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I don't want it to be very smooth. Yeah, that's why I use my food processor. So as you can see, you are going to be grinding or blending it. Yeah, so you will blend it to your taste, to how you want it. Yeah, so it depends on how you want it, guys. This machine wouldn't allow me blend this. So at this point, as you can see, just going to blend, just hold and blend. Yeah, so depending on how the texture you want, yeah, that's what you go for. Yeah, so I'll go for the texture I want. Yeah, so as I said, so go for what you want. Yeah, and guys, this was so delicious. Yeah, so with this you can have it with your chips, you can have it with on its own. Yeah, so let's see how it goes. So this is me blending it. Yeah, so guys, let's blend together. So guys, at this point I was done blending. This is what I want. This is what I want here. So if you don't want it this way, you can blend it to how you want it here. But with me, this is what I'm going for. Yes, so after a blending, you're going to be using your hand to mold it here. You take some and you use your hand to press it until it's very flat here. This is how you're going to be molding it here. So guys, I'm going to be using, as I said, my halogen here. So I'm going to be putting it on this foil that will go into the halogen here. So as you can see me, this is how you're going to do it here. So how big you want it here. So as you can see, this is how I'm going for. So I'm going to be scooping, and then I'm going to be pressing it until I'm done with everything here. And guys, this was delicious, very delicious here. So if you are seeing this video for the first time, please don't forget to share and like this video, and also let me know in the comment section where you are watching me from. Yeah, this is very delicious. Try this and your kids will love it. Yeah, will love this. Yeah, so as you can see, this is me still molding it. Yeah, you mold it until everything is done. Yeah, with mine, I think I couldn't mold everything, so I left some in the fridge. So I molded the next day and I had it here. It was so delicious, very delicious. Yes, so guys, let's continue molding it. So at this point we are done molding. Yeah, as you can see, it's looking so cute and beautiful. So now we are taking it to our air fryer, and then no air fryer, my halogen. Yeah. So this is my halogen, so you are going to be using it here, guys. This halogen is like it's my lifesaver here. Sometimes I even forget I have oven here. This is what I use to grill everything here. So at this point, as you can see, our chicken nugget is already in the halogen. So you're going to cover and then allow it grill. So this is it. Yes, so at this point our chicken is almost ready. So guys, This was very delicious, very, very delicious and yummy. Yeah. So if you have never tried this, try this and your family will love it. Yeah. So if you are seeing this video for the first time, please don't forget to share, like, and comment, and also let me know in the comment section. So this is how it's looking, so yummy and delicious. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to give this a try. Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for always clicking and watching my videos. Thank you.